Our credit report tip of the day: is real estate your dream? You can rebuild your credit and move straight toward funding 100% of your construction costs, but it begins with immediate, concrete actions. Start by pulling your credit reports from all bureaus and disputing any errors. Then automate payments and cut credit utilization below 30%. Also, clean, organized financials matter. Then gather collateral documentation and talk to a construction lender or broker about 100% financing programs. Take these steps this week, keep the momentum, and prove to lenders you're ready to be funded and focused.